In Excel, you can summarize and display data and reports in a pivot table using a slicer. To do so, select any cell in the pivot table. The pivot table analysis will be available. Click on it. And here, Insert Slicer under Filter tab, click on it. Select to insert the slicers which you wish to have available and click OK. You can arrange and organize your slicers, and you can also change its colors and its type. Click on any and select the color which you like. The next step, you can start filtering by selecting one or more item and click to clear filter. And you can click on multi-selection in the top and start selecting multiple items. Again, clear the filter. If you would like to filter within the table itself, click on the cell which contains the arrow and untick select all and select the data which you want to have reflected and click OK. And here you will have the exact items being shown and the totals being changed every time based on how many items are being shown.